Peace FM 104.3. Woodmeat Take.
Now no memenda oko tamale demonstration ni bi.
I never hope we could do hoya water cry.
Na sa demonstration na edin ben da so.
Inter-party resistance against the new voters register.
Inter-party resistance against the new voters register.
That's right.
Na mutim pon say.
Mami share with you for me and pay. Na men was ne opportunity a odi amam say men kasa wo fidi so. Na electoral commission omutim for say omo pese omo compile new voters register. Na ento asumi and you know various political parties are called IPAC. Ye jitu say and Tiasia Yajuma, or my church in my young tea and was it. And you know, you demanded Senka and church in movie as you say, only 2 years now, and Tiasia Yajuma, Yachanya and my, and you know, the MI there, yen to me, Emma, Omon Koso, and your new voters register.
Yababa demonstration ankasa any and some course muno, but ansani yabako hono. Who could be in your capacity as wine?
Well, they could be as capacity as Desmond in two, and the core as the national organizer of the PNC.
Okay, and sir, inter-party resistance against the new register PNC for Kahun. PNC Kahun.
Chairman, Idimu Akotenepa.
Minim sa chairman Idimu Akotena party as PNC no mujina yankasa was asemi mo ne sen.
Yejira bia e wa asemi ne say voters register ya electoral commission so the issue ana na America say ye bia ye ko IPAC ye bita electoral commission in some degree ye bi say oni ami ema intiasie yejuma intisa once intiasie yejuma and she say yeko near the sakoshen kata bia say ye for say omon compile new voters register me no ka say most of the IPAC meetings are yeko midi mo kutani intino say me ko na nyema enko ya and she say among for expect say me ko akotena ho na manfo nyema bi asebe me ba me grassroots for enemy members need to say uko no about the saying and I went to me ankasa di we yam koyi na emu wako no hako fuaso entino dumedia yedi no in the interest of the party members because at the end of the day dudu na enya kwanya emma enkramantemu embassy enko IPAC na se ubekaya event we started here enye ye this abubuwa and Eliaba Bedi Bedi. And this and ye be a who shame say, yes, Yampene, Emma voters register Emma Swa. Na it was say, yeah.
And you know, and Tiasia Minya on command me no chuchu say. Officially, People's National Convention PNC, Mujina Brene say, mon support to new register.
And ye do tamale so your original executives a war. Omo nyina be kan ye ho e ma ye demonstration ma ne ye sesese me ne wo ka say meeting koso Ashanti regional ye beba so Ashanti regional so no Ashanti regional executives any other political party omo bobo omo na ye nso aye fi national no e be kwa ka omo na ye ni omo edit ma no na at the end of the day we are making sure say electoral commission manusa ekwano ema onwankasa nye ediobe even though no yajitu say independent
the entire mabisa o emprebe mi emprensa so say PNC amanyuko no motasa ya kire achi ene se na no ya wada as a job for nhia mu bi so koso ewo enkran ha eno so sa PNC fa ba akoso say omoso emfoa so de momo ye no de omoso foa so say yenye register for front na mpese mi hu say officially no PNC mo position powers asem mu ne sen
entina me ma wati ase say enka PNC enka demonstration ho a enka sabi yedu tamale the original executive omo mekan ho e ma yem koye demonstration enka me ne o ka say Ashanti Regional Executive enka omo nko meetings a as you say omo ko ma yedi demonstration e beba so wo hono so ehwehwe so enti se uko all the regions are members are saying say we don't need a voters register. And you see sometimes say when the voice of the masses are at the end of the day uju media udi enko yi said ya open na yelo yemono ana say yena dudu na yeni grassroots for ni din komo ena ye bi se bi omo ye ebe boa party ema party na ko nenu sabi ade ayeyi. It is in the interest of every Ghanaian as well as young Amanyokunu, because at the end of the day, say you take a decision ever boy Amanyokuna, at the how any here and ever to your members, any Ghana for you also. It is we are working in the interest of Ghanaians and the masses out there. Yajitu say, yes, the real PNC.
I see. Eti na no memenda na mo call demonstration no. Demonstration dey answer na wo be call na wo BBC wani so. De na mo dey si mo ni so amokọ ye no. Ene ne amuhunu ye net mo sen.
Oh, the when nyame anim demonstration na eba so die. Se obi ginetri no ka say ye achivu ana say de na ye hwehwe no ye nsanka na onipa ko no e bia na o different plans because I wasn't expecting such crowd. Besides, you do kumu hona nkasa ya wada you do kumu hona na se uko area mantem na utie sede amanfo kasa na utu say dudu na no mani ndi voters register no na meji say the tea watermali no ebe times 2 ewo Ashanti region because yeah ben na discussions e koso na say voters register no at this moment and we need at this moment only say election year as I say various political parties obia any budget say area at this particular moment and at this particular time no mepe polling agents are area buami when there's voters exhibition mepe nkofo banko ye polling agents o say yensan pen nkofo sabi ombe polling agent almost ombe supervising new voters register ukru ya so ye meeting IPAC meeting last year ukwakoye limited registration ubeka say yankasa ye mo ye members near transport home that means say what the bed you need ebe to yeso it is ye share animal we nyina ye share technical aspect of it sika say ya omeyi bebo kane na sipwa yes mami ode nyabutre maye nyina yenti ho ase ti ye ho ase na bibia to dia or UBI is not against the compilation of a new voters register but yet the say man tiase nyaduma se ne be ya na ti makawi enkoba
yo that's one
man papa
mpacho wadaru magina so ma me be sima ba ko pe mesa ba osisi mpacho men kate no gina so e ma me Henry Haruna Asante vice chairman e ma PNC Henry Marchin
oh yeah in ya mejoso
apom
radio do me ho ya pa
yo ya fra wa no pay aboko na no ya wada press conference ya course wo nkran se ya na fa bi omo so omo de omo print new voters register na se no se na wo hobi
me pa cha wa na me ho
now wo in your capacity as wine
as a representative of the People's National Convention
and the PNC for no more chire say yenye new register
100%.
I see answer na me be froze see me Desmond Nanantu our national organizer in fact make us say kro ugina homa no so ankoma ye ugina otiebi ene na twetwe nkomo ma bisa no be empre 9 say officially PNC position and say or say PNC position is say mon support sa new register no senka mo support a enka original executive say what tamale organize emeboa na no demonstration e course no Kikusahi demonstration e course what tamale nka mo ma metachi PNC's position is say you are not for the new voters register and I also say PNC say mo pay voters register patron chechemu ni say
was a baby, and me chair with you for so. Nearly kind. PNC as a party, your structure. The structure of the party, no, started from Congress. Congress need the highest decision-making body. So Congress is new and not about National Executive Committee. So new and not about the leader of the party. So leader need to take a decision. Finito. The leader of the party, no, any Dr. Edward Mahama. Unlike other political parties, that is since the chairman, no, the leader, yeah, the entesa. Leader near the flag bearer. And it's a leader, no, it to be semi-cosi party, na. Naturally, that is the position of the party, of NEC, and of Congress. And the constitution yet. And any other person be or the Casa or Lucosi party, no, baby, I say, 2 million or the coin. That's the first question. Because you're national chairman or your leader of the party. The decision and your binder. Number 2, say offer PSC as a political party. Maybe some in Desmond State. National Executive year 13. A Musain and a quarter mali. We only Benada, National Executive Bianca, only chairman, or me in the coin. Uba regional or Canoa. Regional chairman, no Casa Freme. The day before the demonstration. Like I just said, what to say, Nkofobi Abba, PSC, name of PSC. Now, no, Obiagua Molamani, into Nimo. The only regional executive of Koye, the regional secretary, one out of the lot. And he said, I'm going to say PSC decision, AS3. And I pay, you know, as a leader from a member. And go for me the petition about agency, a chairman, any organizer, you know, and the other but the clear position of the party, they say, we support it 100% as enshrined by the leader. On the leader of party, no any other person but Dr. Mahama, any leader.
And so I caught Desmond so no confirm the petition about saying
say activities are course what tamalino. Nipa bi I di wondi akose or me a party no any la so no. Yentina se dem bubu dey hwe. Now the party no enter decision bia efa sa demonstration no. Again, leader catch you say on gagi obia to me join group bia opebia me AFAG member. Bernard now a CDA member. Obia when group. But you go there in your capacity as an individual. Go for party the enko. In the similar no many people be in say PNC and PNC I say it authoritatively as a vice chairman of the party say we are not part of any demonstration in this country. I say that on authority from the leader, and he is the leader of the party. Dr. Mahama, as chairman in that order. But the leadership role, Dr. Mahama, you can call him and he testifies, say, instruction out there, my simple and straightforward.
And you know, mo petition na group no de abano say Desmond Bernard Mona mo betwe o masoana.
Well, Sanya ba say your friend Desmond, your friend Tik, any Mona, any doctor Lancaster, you do mobile executive committee. Ever show me some idea, I take your suspended. Who knows? Probably. Say it's nothing here. If that is a tangent, I can't prelude. Me giving a sense but you best from an some 2 million kura, I'm going to idea. Or maybe as individuals, but not in the name of the party.
But possibly, NEC can take a decision along that line.
Absolutely. Me face committee that. Me could make a statement be not any party in the position. 2004, I was called to NEC and sanctioned. In the same way, no, we shall do that.
I see. Jinaso, maybe Desmond. Yeah. Bacho, what's here, vice chairman? Or Nasma, okay, Bacho, then I'll come from.
But you see, sometimes, you want penny for my say, send me the 2 Jana, Sebi, Omoba out now, Omokasafia. Ayana, Emma, and Melbourne, and then Kolai, one memohano. Omubisa say, and he, Aya, Benifui, Sebi. Momo, sorry, Omu ye Gideon, Omopi, Abakan Semana. Share, Asema, the vice chairman, AK. Bisa who say, as a party, you want your leader. Asemu Kosu, Asemu Kosi. Ono no see a leader and Asumani. What's a leader? Any leader, Kasana. Mepacho, or say, Dr. Edward Mahaman Wasumano. And ye dear, mutu friend Dr. Edward Mahamano. Or the Nanu, and I know some other 2 just say, yes, and then I'm so many banana. You see, sometimes people hide behind names and do things
Okay, and no,
say political party.
And no, say, Pacho, me that's my and on the same come why any need as I am more quite say, Tonte Hui, and no bony didn't it? We are, you better cross that line, but
because
Pacho, that's one Pacho me bow. Or no, some say PNC as a party more structures are more running. Entino say ekokoba say mo be take decision bia as I say neck and I take a decision say neck ni hu ana bia mo leader ebeba or say as far as he is concerned as the vice chairman of the PNC neck in take a decision bia say you are against new voters register and then I'll come fast answer no
and the entire next meeting last weekend no one finding same way am metuja I always say party, people are crying out down there. Say they want us to move forward. This back and front is not going to help the party. Look, what we are doing, and I say, and yes, in the interest of Dr. Edward Nasiri Mahama, and I say Bernard Mona, and I say Onu Henry Asante, and I say me into America. We are doing it because of the people down there. As we speak now, we are struggling to mobilize Congress. When are we going to have money to recruit pooling agents? I don't know, sometimes we'll be truthful to ourselves.
But that's
political
not
party political party unless say issues be say and then you see this Henry Asante and then saying say leader is saying say this is not the first time.
That's one Pacho has more National Executive Committee or Council the neck no. Neck in Asia, I take a decision say PNC for mom pet new register na Pacho.
Me know what I say. Next meeting, nothing of that sort came out. But the point I'm trying to make is
nothing of which
there are emergency.
Nothing of which sort. Nothing of which sort. Say more support to another.
Next meeting, issue of voters register man. Into discussing crowd.
And then now, what mean your position? I'll catch them and say, see PNC's position say you are against new register.
There are some decisions. The national chairman, who is head of administration, and so when the national chairman sees, say there's a need for us to quickly come out and tell Ghanaians something. Or to me drafting out something.
Without recourse to the leader of the party?
Well, as we speak now, the national chairman or the leader, how many people are down there? That is what I'm looking at. How many people are down there? We should forget about these two people at the top. They are issued by they are at the top. And this power play is not going to take the party anywhere.
And that's more as well. You must tell me, say, more National Executive Council, national offices are more you or money nano. Yavan say be a modern headquarters or crab, the money nipa 100. Now regions ring in a executives own in answering 1,000. PNC ma and also chain 1,000. So are you telling me, say PNC money in also 10,000. Say National Executive Committee no, say regional executive leaders are more yama party because grassroots no also change. Leaders now more year no. Leaders ni shakwa no take decision are irrelevant.
Then can say irrelevant. As someone make I see there are some emergency issues that the national chairman has to take position. It has happened. This is not the first time BBC Mr. Ramadan Emreso ABC, Alhaji Ramadan Emresu, ABC, he took decision on behalf of the party as the national chairman. And if the national chairman has come out to say, indeed, he has been a full member of IPA, and he has been raising questions. I mean, we can say documents that you discussed electoral commission say on providing man, how then you go out there and say, Mr. Koto? Issues are visa electoral commission. Or no Henry Asante or Cafe. Does he have any much details about the whole thing? Yeah, visa question. And it is up to you to even come out and say, Chairman, this issue, maybe I'm in tears here. When I call IPAC Libya, it is say in our kafang. But you don't do all these things. And then you say the chairman's position and then the leader's position, who is superior. At the end of the day, Matthias says the chairman when it comes to emergency decision taking, he can quickly do that because he's the head of administration.
Mate, Henry.
Company.
Meet you.
Yeah, opening with you.
What's it? That's one to church more the other. Then I'll come found in Chanko Moise.
You say, you mean your platform here since Abanisa opening or making reference being said, let's say national organizer. Uncle with the party the constitution on kind. So a kind constitution of the party or making reference to Alaji Ramadan, our former chairman, current ambassador to Dubai, UAE, sorry. Under that dispensation, not the chairman, no, and a leader. The chairman then was a leader. And you call wa Omoaya amendment. Any ye clause 41 and a leadership no ever share flag bearer answer. And what kind of juxtaposing now, that clearly tells us that he is ignorant of his own party's constitution. That's number one. Number two, answer me give us some baby of any PNC, MRBA, MPP, Ebeba, power no. And I would PNC in the or demonstration. 4 years, 8 years of the CDC are reign. And PNC and demonstration by Kokoda. Even a statement we never issued. Then the question is why? And it's an why? Because we have to sit back and then analyze in the national organizer. Constitution, money now on kind before he comes out to make assertion only. What's the chairman ever right set to take a decision? When the leadership of the party is invested in the leader, the flag bearer. And the two chairman to be better or what? Or they make his decision. Opening me free and for the constitution and number kind, number one. Send American, any all can who is ignoramus of the fact. Messes as a national chairman, Omo the Aroma this year, M1, send obey him or any argument, because he was fumbling, mystery. But me say, me are many minute platform, so yes, into me opening and a massive degree.
Mesoso Medase Papa Henry Haruna Asante, a vice chairman. Ede Emma PNC Amanyukuno Desmond Nana Encho so a national organizer Ede Ma PNC Amanyukuno.
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet